In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to fix a Netspend card that is not activating. First, launch your preferred browser, head over to the official Netspend website. Once you're on the website, navigate to this section of Activate Card. Next, enter your 16-digit card number and the 3-digit security code found on the back of your Netspend card. Double check that both numbers are entered correctly, then select Continue. An incorrect card number or security code can prevent the activation from going through. If your card still won't activate, use the chat support option on the Netspend website to connect with a support representative, explain that you are having trouble activating your card, and follow the troubleshooting instructions they provide. You can also contact Netspend customer support through the official contact options listed on their website. For that, click on the section of Contact Us. Now you can use any of these options given over here, chat with us, call customer service, email or mailing address. And that's how you can troubleshoot a Netspend card that is not activating. If this guide helps you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.